Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? The Mule Bone, a 1930 play written by Zora Neale Hurston and Langston Hughes, is perhaps the best known of the few examples of blank in literature. Most writers prefer working alone, and given that working together cost Hurston and Hughes their friendship, it is not hard to see why. So in the text, it highlights how a play, The Bone, was written by Zora Neale Hurston and Langston Hughes, and it's an example of some blank in the literature. The next sentence elaborates on this by highlighting how most writers work alone, and that working together in this to create this play by Hurston and Hughes cost them their friendship. So the best word for this blank would highlight how it cost them their friendship. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Characterization. This is incorrect because characterization would imply that the focus of the text is on how characters are characterized in literature. But this is not the case because the second sentence focuses on the working together of Hurston and Hughes to create this play. Therefore, the focus isn't on characterization, but these two authors working together to make or write this play. So A is incorrect. B. Interpretation. This is incorrect because the focus of this text isn't on interpreting the book or the play written by Hurston and Hughes. Instead, it's focused on the working together of these two authors to write this play. Therefore, interpretation wouldn't properly fit this blank, and thus B is incorrect. C. Collaboration. This seems to be the correct answer because collaboration focuses on the working together of Hurston and Hughes to write this play. And the second sentence supports this because it highlights how the writers worked together to create this play and that it cost them their friendship. So overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Commercialization. This is incorrect because commercialization is focused on the commercial aspect of the literature, or like selling in the book, the play, etc. But this is not the focus of the text because there's no commercial aspect mentioned at all in the text. Therefore, D is incorrect. And the correct answer is C.